This is a marine baler, primarily used for compressing and processing the waste generated on ships, saving valuable space on board. It can compact both dry and wet materials. The machine includes the waste bin, which when filtered with a truss bag, it's compressing using a hydraulic system. Reduce the waste volume. Like a hydraulic machine's marine waste compactor is powered by electric motor that drives a pump to generate hydraulic pressure in here. Produce are directed through the directional valve of hydraulic cylinder, which applies downward force to compress the materials and reduce their volume. Electric motor, a compactor starts motor. It's used for a single direction operation. Hydraulic pump, a gear pump. It's used to generate hydraulic powder. Directional valve, the valve switches the direction of hydraulic flow. Hydraulic cylinder, this applies the compression force. Level gauges, the hydraulic system includes a pressure gauge that monitors the oil pressure, which is typically range from 8 to 10 MPa during the operation. Electronic control box, the control box allows to easy operation of the machine. The machine includes a safety switch and intertube that ensures that device cannot operate if the cart is removed or the small door is open. Our marine baler is compact, occupying only 1 square meter of space, making it ideal for ships or limited rooms. It has a low power consumption of only 2.2 kilowatts, making it energy efficient in an environment where electricity is limited. The equipment also features an easy-to-use interface, allowing operators to quickly learn and use the machine.